You see the finished products in good packages, and they are ready for the shipment to customers in China and around the world.
As one of large bathroom manufacturers of sanitary equipment in China, our factory is in continuous production every day and strictly controls every production process. Our products are mainly bathroom cabinets, basins, LED mirror cabinets, and so on.
This is the mirror. This is the product. This is the production process. Right? They produce according to order, one by one. Okay.
Here is the assembling area. Our workers assemble cabinets here.
This is one paper on the product. 我敲一次啊，来，这边哦。 不用看，直接敲就好了。
At the same time, we also have our own exhibition hall so that each customer can clearly see our final product. Finally, we have strong production capacity and supply chain. Welcome all bosses to visit and cooperate with us.